Hello everyone, welcome to Swadhyay. Let's learn. In this video, you can learn about we and they, where we should use we and they. It is explained in a very simple way with lots of examples. We. As we saw in the earlier video about pronouns, we is a pronoun. It is used by the speaker to tell something about a group of people. Here the speaker is a part of the group. Let's see an example. This is a group of people. The man in yellow shirt is the speaker. He says, "We are discussing." The speaker used we to talk about the group because he is also one among the group. They. They is also a pronoun. It is used when the speaker is talking about a group but is not a part of the group. Here is a group and this is the speaker. The speaker says, "They are discussing." Instead of we, they is used because the speaker is not a part of the group. In the following examples, you can read a few dialogues by the speaker in a dialogue box. The pointer of the dialogue box points towards the speaker so that you have a clarity which group is mentioned as we and which group is mentioned as they. Let's move on. Sophie, Syra, and Paul are my friends. They are just 3, so you can say their names. But what if they are 10? The speaker can simply say, "They are my friends." The green dress girl is the speaker. She says, "Chia, Mia, Mickey, and I are sisters." Or she can also say, "We are sisters." We are playing chess. They are studying. We go by bicycle. They go by car. They are playing ball in the garden. Can we play with them? We go to school, but they go to office every day. We have fun playing football, but they enjoy swimming. They discuss about their work while we study. We play in the park when they read books in the library. We are a family of 7. They are a family of 4. Hope it was simple and clear for you to understand we and they. If this video was helpful to you, please subscribe, like and share Swadhyay. Let's learn. Thank you.